Assalamualaikum and hi boys and girls. So we are still in subtopic 1.2, Stimuli and Responses in Humans, and we're going to talk about the third sensory organ, which is nose. Okay? So, what are the parts of the nose? Can you guess some of the names of the parts? Okay, don't worry because in this video we're going to study about all the parts of the human nose. Okay? So, in our nose we have nose, nostrils, tongue, sensory cells for smell or smell receptors, nerves to the brain, and also nasal cavity. If we enlarge the part of sensory cells, we can see the nerve, sensory cells for smell, and also mucus in it. So the arrow shows the air enters the nose from the nostrils. Structure of the nose. The nose is the sensory organ of smell. Smells are chemical substances present in the air. Humans use nose to smell various types of scents like fragrances, burnt and rotten smells. The molecules of chemical substances enter through the nostrils into the nasal cavity. This cavity is coated by epithelial cells that secrete mucus, a type of sticky liquid. The mucus will trap microorganisms and dust that are inhaled as we breathe in. About 10 million sensory cells for smell are located at the roof of the nasal cavity as shown in the figure. Next, function of the sensory cells for smell. Sensory cells for smell are tiny and covered with a layer of mucus. Chemical substances in the air will dissolve in this layer of mucus and stimulate the cells to produce nerve impulses. The nerve impulses are then sent to the brain to be interpreted to determine the type of smell. A little bit of science info. Do you know that the nose becomes insensible to certain smell if we smell it for a long period of time? This is because the smell receptors stop producing nerve impulses to be sent to the brain. So, as the brain teaser, look at this figure. Okay. Now, why do you think that a person suffering from flu normally unable to detect smells? Hopefully you can find the answer and share with your friends and teacher. Okay, thank you for watching. So for the next video, we are going to proceed with a discussion about the fourth sensory organ, which is tongue. So hopefully you can read first before attending our next class. Alright? Bye and Assalamualaikum.